See how you can send a dynamic image during the bot journey. So once you have created your bot, anywhere in the bot flow, click on send message option and select the option of image message. Now here you will see the option of dynamic. So you need to create a dynamic image experience earlier. And once you have created that, you'll see the option of all of your image experiences here. Select anyone, and these are the variables from your image. So you can map those variables with any of the fields here. So for now, let me select the name here. So this becomes the WhatsApp name of the user. In case you have any data in custom field from previous steps, you can also map that. And if you want to add a caption text, you can surely add a caption text. Click on save workflow and ensure to enable the workflow.